In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Excel and Google Sheets into existing Airtable tables. First, make sure you're logged into your Airtable account and then head over to your main Airtable dashboard. This is the page where you see all your workspaces and bases. From here, click on the base that you want to import data into. Remember, in this tutorial, we're adding data into an existing table, not creating a brand new one. Once your base opens, look towards the top or side of your table view for an option that says Add or Import. Go ahead and click on that. Airtable will show you several import options. To start with Google Sheets, choose the Google Sheets option. A window will pop up asking you to select a Google Sheets account. If you've never connected your Google account to Airtable before, click on Connect New Google Account. This connection is quick, and you'll just need to grant Airtable permission to access your spreadsheets. When that's done, select the Google Sheets account you want to use. You'll now see a list of your available spreadsheets. Click on the sheet you want to import, then confirm your choice by clicking Select. Airtable will then ask where you want to import this data. Open the drop-down labeled Where do you want to import into, and choose the existing table in your base that should receive this data. Double check that you're selecting the correct table, especially if you have several with similar names. When you're happy with your selection, click Next. Airtable may show you a preview so you can quickly scan that columns and data look correct. If everything looks good, click on Import. Airtable will pull in the rows from your Google Sheet and add them into the table you chose. Now let's do the same thing for an Excel or CSV file. You'll follow almost the same flow. Again, click on Add or Import in your table. This time, select the CSV file option. Airtable will prompt you to provide the file, so click on Browse Files, then select the CSV or exported Excel file from your device. Once the file is selected, click on Upload One File. When the upload finishes, you'll again see the Where do you want to import into drop-down. Choose the same existing table or another one if that's what you need. Click Next to review, and finally click Import. After a few moments, your data from both Google Sheets and CSV will be added to your existing Airtable tables, ready for you to filter, link, and build on.